In this video, we're looking at the ENGAA 2020 paper, section 1, question 26. So, we're told that a line with a non-zero gradient m is reflected in a line y equals x, which we can see here on our axes. And we're asked to find out what is the gradient of the reflected line. So let's do a bit of experimenting. Let's say we have this is our line and our gradient is -1. How would this line look when it's reflected in the line y equals x? Well, it's going to look exactly the same. Our new gradient will be -1 still. What can we draw from this? What information do we get from this? Well, we know, therefore, if this is the same, our reflected line, once it's been reflected in y equals x, is not going to have a change of sign. It's going to be the same, either negative or positive. So we know the new gradient is not going to have a change in sign. Let's have a test with another line. Let's say we have y equals 2x. So our gradient m is 2. This is what our line would look like. How would this look once it's been reflected in the line y equals x? Well, it'll look something like this. And if we had a proper scale, we could see that this is actually going to be a half. M is a half. So the reflected gradient is now 1 over m instead of m. It's the reciprocal. So we can say there's no change in sign and it has to be a reciprocal. That means our reflected gradient is 1 over m and the answer is C.